I am back. I'm gonna fry rice in my pressure cooker today. It's Trace. I have it's the Instantpot 6-quart here. I have it on saute. I just put a little tiny bit of oil in there. That is about half a pound, almost, of ground pork. Why am I using this? I don't know. Here we go. About half a pound of ground pork. Just sort of get that in there. Shush it around. This basically is my go-to quickie meal for me and Connor. My husband's kind of over rice. Basically, I call it refrigerator rice because I use up any raw veggies that I have in the fridge. So, half a pound of pork, which is super crazy cheap. I got it at H-E-B today for, I don't know, 99 cents a pound or something. It was on sale. Hello. And a lot of the times when I do this fried rice, it's, I just do it vegetarian. Not today. Okay. So basically I sort of get it broken up and started to cook. And then I'm going to throw in there half an onion and the white part of a green onion, of 3 green onions. Thrown in there. This is so easy. You're going to love this. And all those naysayers that say, no, you can't have fried rice unless you've got day-old fried rice, or day-old rice. Sorry for your luck. This is great. Okay, so get the onions in there going. I'm putting carrots in today because I have them, and oh, that's a big one, and I love them. So I'm going to throw some carrots in. So basically, we're shushing everything around. You'll notice there's no spice in there at all. It's just the pork, because I want it to taste like pork. And the veggies, because I want it to taste like veggies. The only trick to remember when you're making fried rice like this in the Instant Pot or in any electric pressure cooker, they're all exactly the same, is that the rice and water ratio is equal by weight, not by volume. So I have a scale, and I've weighed out 10 ounces of rice, and then I weighed out 10 ounces of water. And if you do that, you will not go wrong, I promise you. I think the problem people have is that they send a measuring cup when you buy this thing, and it's called a measuring cup in air quotes, but it's not a cup measure. People think it's a cup. It's not. Okay, so just kind of fry this around for a little bit. Okay. What else do I have to put in here? I have cabbage that I'll put in after. I have peas and I have bean sprouts, all of which will go in after. I usually eat basmati rice. I'm cheating today. When I was at the store, I bought the cheapest rice I could find. It's like a medium to short grain. I think it'll work better, actually. So the trick here is you want to fry the rice, dry fry it around with the veggies. The rice will absorb some of the flavor. It'll toast a little bit, and the fat that coats the rice will keep it from sticking to each other. So it'll be, hopefully, fluffier and looser. This is really close rice to if you go and have teppanyaki, you know, the Japanese restaurants where they cook it all in the big grill right in front of you. This is about as close to that as I found. Okay. So now I'm coming in with some stuff. I have, what's that, a tablespoon? Ginger garlic paste. I love the jarred stuff. Sorry, don't judge. A couple of shushes. I'm going to say a tablespoon and a half of light soy sauce. I'd say a couple of teaspoons of oyster sauce. Give it a fry around. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, heck yeah, man. Okay. I'm going to put my cabbage in now. chopped it up. I just had some left from, oh, I did pad thai the other day, and I had some cabbage left. Okay. So look, it isn't even cooked. It looks like fried rice, isn't it? Okay. So then we go in here with the 10 ounces of water. Okay, so give it a good stir. Turn it off now. It's been on saute the whole time. So turn it off. I'm doing this in real time because I don't know how to edit. Let's just be honest. Okay, there we go. Lock, load, or seal it for pressure. 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you just leave it and let it rest for 10 on warm, and then I'll open it. So I'll be back here in probably 15, 18 minutes because it'll take a few minutes to come up to pressure. Okay, I'll meet you back here after it beeps. Okay, I'm back. It did its 3 minutes at pressure. It did its 10 minutes rest. Take that. I'm going to put it back onto saute. Look at that beautiful stuff. Oh yeah, man. I need a pot. I need a tea towel. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay, how pretty that is, eh? You see that? The rice is perfectly cooked. Frozen peas, because I love them. Rinsed bean sprouts. Oh, you know what I was going to do with these? I was going to quickly cut them in half. Okay, bean sprouts. They're canned. I rinse them, keep them in the fridge. I find that they last longer than the fresh ones, and they're not exactly cooking. Look how delicious that is. Okay, yeah. All the rice, as you'll notice, it's all separate. It's not a big clumpy, gooey mass, which is fantastic. This is for my family. I'm adding, where are we? A little bit of Old Man sauce. It's just sweet chili crisp, it's called. I really like it. A little bit, just of the oil off the top. Okay. Give it a shush. Okay, and then move it all, mash it all up on one side. Okay, like that. Okay. A little bit of oil, plain oil. Do not cook with sesame oil. Can't handle it. I have 2 eggs here. Wow. I have 2 eggs. Wow. Right there. Okay. So I like fried eggs. You can absolutely fry these up separately if you want. I've been known to do that. Okay. Can you see in there? So it's just down on one side. This could be good. This rice freezes fantastically. You can make up a big batch like this and put it in Ziploc bags, put it in the freezer, just nuke it as you feel. It's a great side dish. It's a great main dish. Yeah, I got it. It's all, and I have nothing bad to say about it, actually. Okay, scrambling up my eggs. I'm very excited about this. So basically, what you're going to do for all time is weigh out your rice and your water. Okay, so it's this same amount by weight. You're going to fry up whatever veggies you have. You're going to throw in a little bit of oyster sauce, a bit of light soy, garlic and ginger. Fry up your rice, then add the water. Lock and load 3 minutes. Just let it sit there and rest for 10. Open it up. Scramble your eggs in the side. Looks done to me. Mix it all in. Okay. And you have a fantastic meal because, of course, there's pork in here. You have a fantastic side. You can just, it's just, there's nothing bad. Okay. It's easy. It's all in one pan. Okay. And it's not clumpy or gummy. And it tastes exactly like fried rice. I should sample, just make sure it's not poison, you know. Just because that's how I'm at. Oh, you know what I completely forgot? Check it. Now you add a little bit of sesame oil. Heat off. Pressure cooker's turned off. Okay. It makes a big difference, that. I need a... I'll just use a spoon. Look at this. Oh, delicious. Oh, yeah. Carrots are perfectly cooked. Peas are perfectly cooked. There's nothing wrong with this at all. So there you go. Fried rice in a pressure cooker. Easy, done. Go make it. Hope you enjoy it.